Hey everyone! So I am here today with Citronella. This is a really great one to talk about because we all commonly know Citronella and that smell to use as a pest repellent, and we think of those candles being lit outside to help with that. So it definitely is. That is like one of the primary things that you can use it for. I've diffused it and brought even diffusers out back here because we were getting more mosquitoes. And so I've used it out here. I put it in my fountain. So it's really great to use for that. And that typical Citronella smell is what this is. It's actually really nice. It's got a crisp kind of lemony smell to it. And this is taken from it's like a tall leaf of grass from Asia. So it is also pet safe. So if you're trying to help your pets stay pest clear, you could, if they have especially like a leather collar, you could apply a drop or two to the collar. And it's got a lot of antiseptic qualities to it. So it's great if you have urinary tract. If you need support with your urinary tract, you can apply it to the bottoms of the feet or to the abdomen. It is not going to be for internal use, okay? This is just aromatically or topically the way you're going to use it. And it's kind of known to help increase your kind of well-being, your happiness when you inhale the scent. And I've been walking around with it. It actually said it was good for shiny hair. Does my hair look shiny? I put some on. So it's a great antidepressant kind of properties to it too. And it's also known to help with insomnia. Sorry for all the noise here today. So it works with your Gaba, which are neurotransmitters, and it's an amino acid, and that helps work with the neurotransmitters and helps you get into that natural circadian rhythm. So it is great to take if you're camping or hiking. Also great when your kids are going back to school. If there's any lice going around, I would apply it kind of maybe even how I did. I just kind of put some on my hand and kind of went like this through my hair with it. And it's also supposed to be great for the skin. And I was reading in our Facebook page that a lot of people love to use it in the wash and the dryer because it leaves their towels smelling super fresh. So you could do either. You could use those dryer balls and put it in the dryer. You could put a couple drops on each of the dryer balls. Some people are saying they use it in their wash and it's their favorite scent to use. Let me see. Also for toilets, you could put a couple drops in the toilet bowl for cleaning because it's got those antiseptic properties to it. And one suggestion was to use 10 drops of Citronella, 10 drops of Siberian fir, and then with my favorite On Guard cleaner concentrate, you add 2 tablespoons of that and the rest water. So I'm actually going to do that and keep it in the bathroom to clean up around there. And also for athlete's foot, and people were talking about using it in their kids' shoes or adult shoes when they feel like it's a little smelly. You could use that in combination with cilantro or tea tree oil. Okay, so there's some suggestions. I'm excited to start incorporating this one in a little bit more. If you have any questions, let me know.